Hello everyone, if you're facing this error when you're trying to play GTA 5 on your computer, ERR GFX D3D INIT failed initialization, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your GTA 5 easily. So this method will work both on the enhanced and the legacy versions of the game. So first off, you're going to open up your file explorer, you're going to go into your documents, then you're going to go into Rockstar Games, and then you're going to go into your GTA 5's version. So if you're on the legacy version, it'll go into GTA 5. If you're on the enhanced version, it'll go into enhanced. And here what you're going to do is you're going to delete all three of these files. This will also delete your saved files, so I'm warning you of that. And if you're on the legacy version, you're going to go here, delete all three from here. This will delete your saved files. And after that, once you're done deleting those files, then you're going to go ahead and try to play the game, and you'll see that you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.